Hi everybody. With everything going on that's crazy in the world, usually to de-stress at the end of a day, I will clean or I will play with Halloween makeup. Right now, my son's senior year is being spent in our kitchen, taking classes online, seeing as how school is shut down. So I thought that I would play with makeup, only to realize that all of my normal fun makeup is also locked away in school from after doing the musical this year. So I did find one Ben Nye kit left in my stash, and on TikTok, and over on Instagram, I've been posting little videos making a different face using the same 4 shades each day that we're on lockdown. Hopefully I don't run out of ideas within the first week, but I will compile them and post them here. Usually the content that I make is based around cleaning and it's cleaning motivation, but I thought with everything going on, you guys would like to see something different. So this is what I do to de-stress. I hope you enjoy. If you like what you see, hit subscribe and then hit the notification bell. Say hello. Let me know what you're doing to pass the time if you're stuck at home. I luckily do still work a job, but that doesn't make it any less stressful. And so sit back, relax, and see the first 2 faces that we made.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 up my eyes. Tonight, 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 I'm wide awake and I'm breaking into. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, 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 I'm talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling like a secret I can keep. I'm letting it go, I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. There's no place left to hide where your memory and found me in. Tonight, 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 there's nothing left to dream. And this broken lullaby, it's all that's left to sing. I keep waiting for you, I can't make it without you next to me. Oh no, no, no. Tonight, 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 I opened up my eyes. Tonight, 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 I'm wide awake and
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince, happen to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
I hope you enjoyed. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Hit the notification bell, hit subscribe, and every couple of days we'll upload some more faces. Let's see how much we can create in the time that we have. Have a great night.